Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology. In this video, I want to take you in and show you how to block somebody that is texting you and you have no idea who it is. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, you want to sign into your phone. Inside here, you want to go into iMessage. Mine's down on the dock on the left-hand side. The number 1 on it. Just where the arrow is. Click on it. And I want to show you how to block somebody that's texting you that you never gave permission for them to do so in the first place. So right here, I'm going to click on gas prices are going to spike Monday. Who cares? So here we are. We're inside this text message. And this is not an iMessage. And how you tell the difference is if you look at the arrow down the right-hand side that's pointing up, it's in green with the white arrow. And then inside the box, it says text message. Now, if this was an iMessage, it would be iMessage. The difference is this is not sent via an iPhone. Now, iMessage was not available and it was sent on an iPhone, then yes, it would go green. It'd come SMS. But right here, what I want to do is I want to click on the number. So just below the little head at the top, click the number. And you have 3 things: audio, FaceTime, and info. What you want to do is click on info. And there's the phone number. You can click on hide alerts and you won't get any more alerts. But I don't want to do that because I don't know this person. I want to block their number. So at the top here across in the number, you see a phone and then you see an arrow. Be very careful how you click this because you might end up phoning them. So you got to click the arrow. And this opens up and you can send a message, you can share a contact, you can create a new contact, you can add to an existing contact. What we want to do is we want to click on block this caller. So it's down at the bottom there where the arrow is pointing. Click on block this caller. And then this box comes up and it says you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on this block list. So yes, that's what I want to do. I'm going to click block. Now you can see that it says unblock this caller. So this person's blocked from any future text they try to send me. And that's how easy it is to come in here and block callers. You can do it the same way with if you have somebody that's calling you, you can block their number as well. So this is how you come in here and block a text message under the iMessage app, Messages app in Apple iPhone. And I'm using Apple iPhone XS Max to do this video. And it should be pretty straightforward on your phone to do this as well. Just follow along and you will do exactly what you need to do in blocking people. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification. And any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified. And you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you click on more and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT, get into technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT, get into technology, and you want to click the bell notification down on the right hand side so you see the lines on top of the bell, and click above to watch the latest video.